O ko te ahu pātiki te maunga, a ko te pohu e, ko te whatamaraki, ko te hūpoko hini te wai. Ko te pai mauna o manu kui a ko kā kānui, ko te hika tuahika. Anei nā maunga pau e whakatia ki tonu mai. Ko Koukourarata te aua. Ko te kaua, ko o whētoro, ko hoeri, ko wero kānuhi, ko puari, ko kahu kūnu. Anei nā aua, mai ngā tihi o nā maunga, e rere tonu wana ki te whāngai atu te moana ko te ara whānui a maka whiua. Nō reira ko te pātako o rākai hautu te whenua, ko puari pā te marae, ko tū te huerewa te whare tipona, ko Ngāti hui kai, ko Ngaitu heitara, nā hapu, ko waitaha, Ngāti māmoi, Ngāi tahu whānui, nā iwi. Tihei Mauri ora. Welcome to Koukourarata. Come and learn some of our history and some of our visions that we have for our place with me and my whanaunga Peter. Peter te rangihiroa Ramsden. Nau mai hara mai. Kia ora.
He mihi kauaki ki a koutou, i a tātou hoki, e noho paianga, paiana, te oanga nui. Te mahanatanga a tātou whānau, huri no. No reira. So, introduce my whanaunga here, Wade Wereta Osborne, has a passion for the mahi, for our beautiful bay. It comes with the responsibility of whakapapa. You either step up to it or you walk away. It's a part of the legacy that's left to us to develop the few treasures that we have left and the legacy that we can leave for those generations yet to be born. Pai?
Aye, aye. Our people settled here for a reason because of the natural resources that we could gather within the area. We're a sea people, we're a village people that mahinga kai, this harbour. Our people first arrived aboard the Maka Whiwaka, captained by Maka and Muki. The first settlement in this place is Koukourarata, down by the stream, which is very significant to us. Again, a natural resource which tells us our relationship to our atua and our kaitiaki and those who exercise them before us, namely our tipuna who sit behind us, the rangatira of old. We have a duty and a responsibility, what Pete says, to ensure that future generations may enjoy what we will implement. We come from a long line of hard-working people. We need to carry that on. So by doing that, we're implementing a few projects around the place in order to bring the hapu back home and to enjoy this place that we do call heaven. Te pito o te ao, eh?
Being Māori, it was important that the projects involved our traditional beliefs. With the bay already established as a mai taitai, which is a Māori fishing tool to protect the realm of Tangaroa, and the creation of Kakanui, which acknowledges our respect for Mother Earth, Papatuinuku, and between them is Kahukunu, which is the umbilical cord, so to speak, between the deities. By using that language and using that strength as Māori and as hui kai ne, it gives us a lot of satisfaction using the conservation tools of old and using the skills and the funding which we have from the wider community. Kakanui is regarded by Hugh Wilson, the noted botanist, as the best remaining of its type of the Patakarakai Hautu, which is Banks Peninsula. It gives the low level, the mid and the high country. There's stands of matai up there which somehow survived, which are quite massive. In there is not only the fauna and the flora, but the history of Ngai Tahu is very much involved with there. So it's another reason why we wish to protect such a precious area. We've had it through the land courts. It's now to be officially gazetted, which makes it a Māori reservation and a wahi tapu area. And then we put the conservation. Then we fence it off, and then we let it return to its natural state. As you can see, This is the focal point of this year's planting program. Kahukunu, which is the stream, it's spring fed from up in Kakanui. Unfortunately, it only runs intermittently about 3 months of the year. Tuia funding will support this year's planting. It's exciting. It's trees that survived Riumoko and the earthquakes. More importantly, it'll help support the management. As we all know, the easy part is planting the trees. The important part is to look after them afterwards. So we're exceptionally grateful for Tuia. It strengthens the kaupapa and it makes us continue with our mahi. This is Urunanga land. One of the exciting parts of the earlier projects is that we fenced off to the boundaries which were gazetted in 1870, and our people had never ever seen their boundaries before. So it's exciting to be able to do that. This is part of a program we're also putting together with the Christchurch City Council. We're creating a barbecue area on the foreshore so we can work in with the community and encourage them coming into our beautiful bay, but at the same time keeping them away from the marae so they don't interfere with our functions as a hapu. And at the same time we're fully supporting them. On this block here we intend to build our holiday homes for whānau and also for our kaumātua who wish to come home and to stay.
Oh, nau mai hora mai ki Koukourarata. Te Marakai o Hini Tewai brings its name from our sacred mountain up there, Hini Tewai. And beneath Hini Tewai is our creek, Koukourarata, both named by the war chief and rangatira Muki, who was a son of Tua Huriri, and that's where our name of Koukourarata stems from. As one of our initial community projects promoted by Te Rūranga o Koukourarata is the riparian planting. The importance for us here is to maintain the integrity of the land and the waterways, ki uta, ki tai. And for that to happen, our people have taken on the responsibility to replant our river. Korimako, Mahui, Totara, Harakeke, Toi, just to name a few of the species that we're bringing back down to these low lands of the valley. It's important for us as it provides a source of mahinga kai, but the importance also is the water. To have fresh water, we must have fresh plantings to take care and protect all that. And with that project here, we have our Marakai, which is a communal project, brings the people together, promotes unity, and it's a good source of life. To develop the people, you must develop the land. And that's what we're initiating now. These joint projects by the hapu and the community will hopefully bring us closer together and lay more foundation stones for our mokopuna into the future.
We receive our water from Tawhiri Matia and from our mighty awa, Koukourarata. That's the only water we have, which makes it even more important that it's fenced off correctly to keep the stock out. Water and the quality of water, as the old whakatauki goes, healthy land, healthy water, healthy people. And this is part of the equation and us addressing our responsibility in that direction. Te Rūranga o Koukourarata, probably more importantly to me personally, Ngāti Hui Kai, have led the charge within the Bay for these projects. It shows the responsibility we have to the whenua and to our history. In the same token, it includes the community because it's about the legacy that we can leave together. We encourage the people of the Bay and the wider community to come and join and be part of it. Everything we've done is on behalf of us all. I wish to thank Tuia for funding made available and the relationship that has been pushed by ICANN with Ngai Tahu and with Ngā Papatapurunga. So appreciate that and kia ora tātou.
In conclusion, it's all about the whakapapa. Whakapapa is about establishing a connection and maintaining a relationship.
Kia ora.
In this kaupapa, it's about our whakapapa with the land, the water and the sea. And as my whanaunga here says, it's with the people in the broader community, he tangata. So it's all about whakapapa. Ngāti Kiwi te iwi, whakakotahitanga. Nō reira koutou mā, anei nā kōrero mai o Ngāti hui kaira. Tēnei te whakamutanga o tēnei kōrero. Nō reira mai i te pō ki te iau mārama, ki te iau huri huri neira. Ko rangi nui kei runga, ko papatua nuku kei raro. Ko wai kei roto, ko nā atua kaitiaki, ko tute raki whānua marokura kahu kurahe. Nō reira, me whakatupua, me whakarerenga, nā kākana o oranga, kā tika.
Yes.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.